Hi to all. Once again, welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. Today, we are going to make samosa, all-time favorite snacks in Hamari style. Crispy, crunchy, and delicious. So let's start. First we are going to make potato curry. So add oil in a pan. Once oil become hot, add cumin seeds, onions, green chilies, fry it for few seconds. Now add turmeric powder, red chilli powder, salt as per taste. Then add green peas and peanuts. Fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now add boiled potatoes. Mix it and fry it for 4 to 5 minutes. Mash it nicely as we are going to put this curry inside the samosa. Wow, it's cooked so nicely. Now we will make a dough for samosa. For that, take all-purpose flour 5 to 6 teaspoons. Now add cumin seeds, and 4 to 5 teaspoon oil. Because oil will give crispiness to samosa. Now add salt as per taste. And add 1 to 2 teaspoon ghee. Now mix it well so that oil and ghee mix with the flour nicely. Now add 1 to 2 teaspoon of water and mix it. We are using very less water here. Add water with a spoon if required. Make a hard dough like this. Not like a chapati dough or a normal dough. Now cover it and keep it aside for 30 to 40 minutes. Now cut the dough into 2 portions as we are making 4 samosas here. Now take 1 portion and make a roti as shown here. Don't use any oil for it. See, it looks so nice. Now cut the roti into 2 equal halves. Now take 1 piece and start making samosa as shown here. Seal it nicely. Now put our curry inside it. Fill it nicely. Now close the open sides well. Use water as a paste to close it nicely. You can see our samosa is ready to fry. It looks so nice. Like that, make all samosas are ready. Now fry them in oil at a low to medium flame. Until it becomes golden brown in color. Keep on turning frequently so that it cooks nicely from all the sides. Now you can see our samosas are ready. It looks so crispy and golden brown in color. You can have hot samosa with a tomato sauce. I'm sure you will definitely like it. So do try our recipe and let us know your feedback, suggestions and comments if any. If you liked our recipe, do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you.